Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got a highly anticipated fragrance to unbox and review, Lattafa's Eternal Oud. So if you love oud, this is the one you will want to stick around for. Let's dive in. Let's start with the unpacking. Right away you can tell that Lattafa has put thought into the presentation. The box looks so sleek and with a glossy finish. It has that luxurious feel to it. You have got the name Eternal Oud on the front and along with the brand name, of course. Let's open this. Inside we have got the bottle itself, and wow, it's just stunning. The bottle is heavy, made of glass with a gorgeous metallic gold accent, and the design is minimal and yet elegant, giving it that high-end vibe. And you will notice the intricate details on the cap like this, and the way of the bottle feels in your hand. It's just perfect balance of sophistication and luxury. So I'm gonna try this on my wrist today. Let's spray. Okay, time to talk about the scent. Eternal Oud opens with a bold and rich oud note, but it's not overwhelming. If you're familiar with oud, you know that it can sometimes be too strong, but this one strikes a great balance. Oh, yeah, it's warm, woody, and has this depth to it. There is a slight sweetness in the background, which I believe comes from the mix of floral and spicy notes. It's definitely a fragrance that is inviting and mysterious at the same time. Not too sweet, not too heavy either. It's redefined. I can smell a bit of amber, which gives the fragrance a smooth and resinous feel. It's definitely something you could wear during the cooler months, but I think it would work just as well in the evening or on a special occasions. Now let's talk about the performance. Eternal Oud is a powerhouse. This one has amazing longevity. We are talking 8 to 10 hours, no problem. The sillage is impressive as well. People will even notice you wearing this, but it won't be too overpowering. It leaves a beautiful lingering trail without being obnoxious. Lattafa Eternal Oud is generally considered a unisex fragrance. Its rich, woody oud notes are complemented by warm, sweet undertones, making it appealing for both men and women. However, it might lean a bit more masculine due to the deep oud and smoky element, which are often favored by men, but it can still be worn to anybody who enjoys complex, luxurious scents. So if you love like bold, sophisticated fragrances, it can be a great option for either gender. So to sum up, Lattafa Eternal Oud is an absolute gem. The presentation is on point, the fragrance is redefined, the performance is top notch. And if you're a fan of oud but want something that is wearable day to day, this could be your perfect match. So in my opinion, definitely worth checking out, especially considering the price point. For those who love deep woody scents with a touch of sweetness and warmth, this one you will want to have in your collections. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have tried Eternal Oud, let me know what you're thinking. And if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video with another review. Stay tuned. Bye bye.